there will be more things coming out.
The KSU members today paid floral tribute to the life-size statue of Jaintia freedom fighter Kiang Nangbah on his 162nd death anniversary near Civil Hospital, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, KSU President Lombok Starwell Marngar said the heroic deeds of the martyr, who was a commoner fighting against the British Raj, will serve as an inspiration for generations to come. Marngar also encouraged the youths to stand for what is right to safeguard the people and their rights.
KSU kam jukulat ya hero crowd kam jukulat ya ki mati tiba ki hero crowd juga cek meneru kina no senyang da ka ba IT ka bor jabing ka bor met ka bor men sim ba ka bakidan ke ikhtiar la ka benta ka daw ba la ka benta ka lawai ka ba pernah juga ri ba cek meneru so kia ka jung ka jing so bamla pediang ka jung ya ka jing lek don bor jing sarkar nang wei ka ba pelong yu belum balang yang baj ba yang kun ki hajar jong ka briu hunyuk trap hang ti hapo madia kmai blai sentup ser ka ba ki nyem ya karai banya kun persya yang nongwei nong ar ki ba thambor ki da ka ba krong ya kata ka khajana lan ni ka mangyong ka pareng ka house tax but the income tax.